They're chasing fish. They're chasing fish. Yeah, they're right there on the bank. Welcome back to the channel again, Stu. I'm out here on Lake Ann. Come out to visit my father. He brought his boat down, and they're staying in a rental house a few miles from here. I'm rocking the truck tonight. Do a little truck camping. She's trashed inside, but got all my rods. Just kind of walked the bank real quick and peeped the situation. A couple of nice mamas looking like they're about to start bedding. I left my tackle bag and pretty much everything I have on my father's boat because we were fishing a little bit earlier, and I came over here to rent this campsite with pretty much no gear. I do have the old gotcha, so I'm gonna go over here, see if I can pull a mama or two off a bed or out of the deep with the old gotcha lure. And then later this evening, once the sun goes down, I'm gonna head back over to my dad, and we're gonna get on the boat, chase some catfish, maybe some striper, orgies, see what we get into. Hopefully I can do a little catch and cook here in the bed of the truck this evening. And then we're gonna hit them hard again in the morning, and I'm gonna beat feet back down to Hampton. Hope y'all enjoy what you're watching today. Stay tuned. Well, I found that in my bag. It's mostly saltwater stuff. A couple mirror lures. There's one jerk bait. And a soft plastic hook, but I don't think I have any crawls or anything with me. So we'll give it a shot. Done something out of the norm here. I have a soft plastic hook. I had an egg sinker, and these are the only soft plastics I have, the HR curly tails. So we're gonna see what we can make happen with this. See if we can pass them off. Hi, Pop. What you doing, buddy? Hi. What you doing? Hey, buddy. Come here. Where's that bed at? Right in here. Sorry, you guys can't hardly see nothing. The angles that I'm standing here. There he is. I see ya. Oh, that was bad. I got nothing to fish with. This is horrible. Oh, you mother. Yeah. Yeah, he picked it up. And I failed to friggin' complete. God. The old premature pickup. Man. It's like 2.5 miles. No, I have my truck in my camping spot. Oh, eat it. God, he wants it so bad. It's the wrong color. Fuck. Sorry. I'll bleep that out, YouTube. Shh. Dirty word. Oh. All right, I gotta walk away from him for a minute before I throw my rod in the water. While that's boiling, I got the Reflectix for the back of the truck. I'm just starting to put it up now. What I'm doing, I don't know if you can see it up there, I got washers and got the round magnets, comes 8 in a pack, and I got these 3/8 washers and some crazy glue, and I'm just tacking right along the edge of the window frame. I'm tacking the washers because that's all aluminum, so the magnets won't stick. So crazy glue a magnet every so often or crazy glue a washer every so often, and then glue the magnets to the Reflectix material, and then it just slaps right up there. Keeps me nice and keeps the people from seeing what's happening when I'm trying to put on my pants in the morning, and you know, the whole deal. Ooh. Ooh. The noodles are ready. I guess. You in there. You in there. I guess you can stay here for now. Just like that, a la ramen. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna eat this, and then we'll go try and catch some of these fish. See in a few. So I'm gonna see if I can give you a quick demo on how I'm doing these curtains. My head came on, sorry. My chestie's charging right now, so this might be a little weird. I'm just taking the crazy glue, putting a little bit on the washer, and then right on this lip on this window, I don't know if, I hope y'all can see that. So then right there, I do the next one. Crazy glue. Not glue my finger. Right there. Oh, stay. And we'll do one more at the end. Crazy glue. The sticker on there. Oh, that one stuck to my finger. Come on. Extra drop on there. Extra drop on there. Extra drop on there. Alright, we'll let that sit for a minute. So that's my 3 washers. They're on there nice and tight. And then this is one that I've already done. As you can see, I glued magnet there. Well, we have a casualty. I have to fix that one. But in essence, this clips on there. That one clips on there. And what's in the way? Nothing. And then that third one would clip on right there. The only thing is the magnet ripped off of it on the other side, so I have to redo it. But that's just to give me a little bit of privacy. I can still pop this down, access my window, stick it back up. Oh crap. That's been recording for 20 minutes and 25 seconds. Staring at the freaking table. That's amazing. Well, this is my humble abode for the evening. Got the 2 reflectors done. I'm gonna leave these big windows open for this evening and the back. That's the old front porch view. Lake Ann. Beautiful little spot here. I'll throw the name of the campground down in the description. But now that I've burnt up 20 minutes of this memory card, I'm going to shut it off. And I'm going to get everything set up and head back over towards my dad. And go out on the boat. Well, today did not go as planned. No fish. One little catfish. My dad caught a little baby catfish, and I caught one little, what I believe to be like a white perch. Smaller than most bluegill. Just couldn't find the fishes. Thank God for the poor man. The old ramen. Having ramen for dinner tonight in the old blue. But this is a good day overall. First time on this lake. Did get to see some bass, some pretty bass on beds. Not so much on the boat, but right here at this campground. And let me fix that. I'm gonna try and get on them in the morning a little bit, and then head back over to the boat, fish with Dad for a while. See if we can't get into something. Seems like every time I attempt to catch and cook, the old catch is Walmart ramen. So it's 9:20. I'm gonna cook me some ramen and go to sleep. Ow. And I will catch back up with y'all in the morning. See if we can actually put some fish in this video. Oh, good morning. 6:50. Just text the old man. I slept about
50 minutes longer than I wanted to, but we didn't really have a set time this morning. So I'm getting dressed. I have to pee something fierce. I'm gonna head to the boat and catch something today. Oh man. So hopefully the next clip y'all see is me reeling in a fish. We'll see you in a bit. Fingers crossed.